In this easy tutorial, I'll show you how to export audio in Blender video editing. So let's jump right into the video. So it's very easy, just select the video. You can also select from here frame, resolution, and after you have done that, what you have to do is just to go to render, and then here we have render animation and also render audio. Click on it, and then from here select the location, and here in format don't forget to select MP3, and then here in container, select MP3, and then just click on mix down. Okay, location will actually go on desktop, and here that's pretty much it. And here I have, guys, the MP3. I hope this video helped you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.